Here is question from JEE 2016 from electrostatics. This is question number 2. And in this question it is given that the region between two concentric spheres of radii A and B was respectively has volume charge density rho equal to A divided by R, where A is a constant and R is the distance from the center. At the center of the spheres is a point charge Q. The value of A such that the electric field in the region between the spheres will be constant. So let's solve this question. For solving this question, first we'll draw the diagram of this question. So in the given question it is mentioned that there are two concentric spheres. Let this is our bigger sphere, and inside this sphere there is another concentric sphere, and their radius are given as this radius is A is the radius of a small sphere, and this radius is B. So B is the radius of the outer sphere, and there is a charge Q which is placed at the center of these two concentric spheres. Now according to Gauss law, we know the statement of Gauss law is circular line integral of E dot dA is equal to Q enclosed, means enclosed charge in the surface divided by epsilon naught. So applying this law we can write E means electric field into surface area 4 pi r square will be equal to 1 divided by epsilon naught into Q plus integral from A to R, A divided by R, because rho is here, A divided by R into 4 pi r square dr, because 4 pi r square dr is the volume of the shell, a spherical shell. And if we evaluate this value, then we'll get E into 4 pi r square will be equal to 1 divided by epsilon naught multiplied by Q plus 2 pi A into r square minus a square. For E to be independent of R, for E means electric field to be independent of R, therefore the term in the charge will be also independent of R. Then we can write Q plus 2 pi A into 0 minus a square, because this term is independent of R, will be equal to 0. So from this relation we can write Q minus 2 pi capital A small a square is equal to 0. So from this we can write value of A will be equal to Q divided by 4 pi. So value of A will be equal to Q divided by 2 pi A square. So this is our required value of the given question, and it is matching with option 4. Therefore we can say our option 4 is our correct answer. So option 4 is our correct answer.